God bless you, young person who is listening to this message from the Sound of the Future Ministry. I would like you to take a moment to pause and reflect. Hebrews chapter 6, verse 19 says, "This hope is a strong and trustworthy anchor for our souls." You might be facing a challenge that you think that it's a storm and you think the storm will never end, but the Bible assures us that there is hope, that there is strength, and there is trust when we lay it down to Jesus. He is our anchor, and He will make sure that you will not be shaken in the middle of the storm and the adversity that you are facing today. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.
He